What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down in this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today, I'm coming at y'all with a very special video. We have mail, and it's from Hat Club, so you know it's some heat. FedEx already got us started with the unboxing. I guess y'all can see the rip, but the box itself is still intact, so we should be good. I don't want to waste too much time. I'm just as excited to see what's in here as I know y'all are. So let's go ahead and get into it. Down below in the comment section, make sure y'all run it up. Like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, as I always say. What do you have here? We don't need that, so I'm gonna toss it to the side. And big ups to Hat Club for sending this out. It's always appreciated when they send packages. Oh, this is a big package. Okay, it's a big package. Let me give y'all a peek. There it is. Lots of tissue paper. And we do have a card, so let me go ahead and start with that. Take a trip to the Sugar Shack, enjoy some sweets from your homies at Hat Club. Shout out to Davey. Davey is always holding it down, and again, I really do appreciate it. All right, and there's jelly beans in here, okay? Hat Club coming through with the details. It's in the details. That's dope. Like some pink jelly beans in there. I'm gonna taste these. If I can get them open. There we go. There's jelly beans all over the floor right now. But nonetheless, they are tasty. Nonetheless, but yeah, there's jelly beans all over the floor. I'll pick them up after the video. Let's get into the unboxing. Clearly, I underestimated my own strength opening those jelly beans, but let's go ahead and get into the hats. I can see the side patch on the first one peeking out at me, and that is this Dodgers joint. So Dodgers Sugar Shack 2.0. As y'all can see, they went ahead and did something different this time around. The white front panel and the rest of the crown is like a camel color. I don't have anything else like this in my collection right now, so these are gonna make a great addition. Perfect for the summertime. Y'all can see the front logo, baby blue LA, peach outline, icy blue, baby blue UV on this one, white sweatband, size 7 1/8 of course, and these are made in Bangladesh. But we have to take a look at the side patch because I think that's where this hat in particular really shines. That Coliseum side patch that I do not have yet in my collection. First home, Los Angeles, in like a lavender color. There's also some royal blue, baby blue, peach, and mint accents going on in the patch. And you can't miss the gold detailing. Honestly, that just takes the hat up another notch, that gold outline. Crazy. Really clean color placement on this. As usual, I expect nothing less from Hat Club. Flat batterman on the back, baby blue and white. These are clean. Don't sleep on this Sugar Shack 2.0 drop. As I'm filming this, it is Friday, which means the drop is tomorrow for the icy blue UVs as well as the peach UVs. Tomorrow, 2 p.m. Eastern on the Hat Club website. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. So that is the Dodgers. I'll make sure I give y'all some nice B-roll in this video. Tonal New Era flag. Super clean. And the next one, just as nice. Wow, these look crazy in hand. The photos don't do it justice. So this is the Atlanta Braves. Once again, all of the hats are the same this time around, just with different color UVs. So white front panel, camel for the rest of the crown. The Braves logo on the front is mint and it has like a peach outline. The script A, really clean. 30th season in Atlanta side patch with the gold bats. I'm telling y'all, that gold detailing really takes these side patches up a notch. And the ones that have the gold in the front logo, they look even crazier. The 30th and the Braves is like a pink. The ball kind of looks like it may be like a pearl color almost, or maybe like an off-white. Not sure, but it's clean. And then you also have the royal blue in there as well. Mint on the outline. Real nice. Flat Batterman logo once again, but this one is pink and white. White sweatband, peach UV. Something about this collection really does hit different in hand. If you like bright colors, if you like the pastel, lighter colors on hats, this is like that perfect in between. Something about it. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below in the comment section. Now, these two are fire, but there are some other gems that I want to talk about from the Hat Club Sugar Shack 2.0 Drop 1. So let's go ahead and take a look at the team list. So I have the drop details pulled up on the Hat Club website, and I'm going to run through the team list with y'all like I would normally do and let y'all know what I'm thinking about the rest of the drop. So first up, we have the California Angels. Clean hat. Now that A with the wing for the front logo, perfect choice. Perfect choice for the front logo because you really get to see that gold detailing in there. And like I said, the gold accents on these hats definitely take it up a notch. Then of course is the Atlanta Braves that I already gave y'all kind of like a sneak peek on, a sneak close up, I guess. Clean hat, I already know what sneakers I'm gonna pair up with that, so make sure y'all tap in with my Instagram. The Red Sox, that one's chill. It's like a peach and mint on the front logo. I like it. Detroit Tigers, I really like what they did with the side patch there. The purple, the peach, the gold, the light blue. Like, it's just crazy. That side patch is crazy. And I think that the front logo looks really good too. San Francisco Giants, for all of the people who are always asking for Giants hats. Hat Club makes them. I don't know why people say that there's never any Giants hats. The Mets, that Mets goes crazy. The tricolor Mets logo is my favorite Mets logo. The purple, mint, peach, and then you got all of that peach in the side patch with the gold. That hat is fire. That hat is fire. The Orioles is also a good looking hat. That Toronto Blue Jays definitely jumped out at me in the reel that they uploaded to Instagram. That was like one of the first hats that I really paid attention to. And those are all of the hats with the peach color UV white sweatband that are going to be dropping. Now we're going to move on to the icy blue or baby blue UVs. We got the KC Royals, Tampa Bay Rays. That's actually a pretty nice Tampa Bay Rays hat. All of the gold in there, it's a lot of gold in that front logo. The Phillies is probably one of my favorite pickups from Sugar Shack 1.0. Really clean hat. I always get compliments on that hat, and I'm pretty sure I'll get compliments on these as well because you're gonna break necks. Like, it's a head turner for sure. Cardinals, you got pink and a bluebird. That's dope. That's dope. I like the side patch on that one. Of course, the LA with the Coliseum side patch. That one's gonna be a winner. That is gonna be a winner for sure. We got a Cubs in the mix with the peach and the icy blue bear. Some nice hats. There are some good hats in here. Some good hats. There's a lot of options to choose from. The Montreal Expos, Cincinnati Reds. That Expos joint is clean. And of course, baby blue UV, white sweatband, flat Batterman on all of them. Y'all let me know down below in the comment section what you'll be picking up from Hat Club Sugar Shack 2.0 Drop 1. The peach UVs and the icy blue UVs. Like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love. I'm gonna go pick up the jelly beans on my floor and I will check y'all out in the next one.